watch here. Our camera turned off. Well, our camera died apparently, so we ran back, got another one, and came back, and yeah. So we're gonna be playing fidget spinners and a little basketball. So let's do some fidget spinner tricks.
A little more basketball, you mean?
Yeah, a little more basketball. Here, so you could do some tricks.
Turn it off. Okay. You don't have to spin it that fast if you want. Alright. You don't have to film me.
Yeah, guys, I suck at throwing it.
Let's see if I can do 3 in a row. Oh my gosh, I can't even do one. This is just fast. Yeah, I can't. Yeah.
Oh, that was pretty close.
Alright. If you guys want to see the spin test, it's going to be like 2 minutes and 10 seconds, so here it is.
Guys, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh. It's a pretty nice day outside. It's actually a really nice day.
Actually, it is.
Okay, let's go over here. There, I got the fidget spinner. Here, you can take them and I'll take my basketball.
Alright. What do you want to go now?
Let's go to the park. Is anybody there? Yeah, let's go to the park.
Let's see. Oh, it does want,
Or should we go to that park?
let's go to over here.
Let's go to that park, yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna go over there. Not yet.
Not yet. We'll play that after the fidget spinners, maybe.
Alright. And let me see my camera. Alright, we're gonna go over there. Alright, so we're over here now and we're gonna do some fidget spinner. Alright, here, hold this camera, please don't turn it off again. Okay, so we're gonna put mine away because the caps keep on coming off.
Yeah.
And let's see the spin test for both. Alright, it's about 2 minutes and 10 seconds, so if you want to skip to see when it ends, you can.
It's gonna look really cool here in a second. See, look at that. Look how it's going so slow.
Only the goats watch the whole thing.
And it goes
Just
like,
kidding.
look at this. It's so cool. Looks like it's flimsy, it's just carrying it on.
Flimsy. Alright, so pause it. So, that was another failed tip because I spun it too low, so let's try it again.
It's gonna look really
If
cool,
you want to
guys.
skip it, as I said, you can't.
But
use
just
your hand.
wait until it's cool. Look.
Or you could just skip to parts. I don't really care.
Look at that. It looks like it's going so slow. I can just trace it with my hand. It goes backwards. It's so cool.
Oh, it's still on me.
You know, you hate when...
Shut up, Steven. Quiet, Steven. Quiet. Alright, it should be stopping here, right?
Yeah. Still looks pretty cool in the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not really.
guys, this is a glow in the dark.
So
we'll be doing a video of it glowing in the dark.
Yep.
See, that looks cool. So,
alright, so now what should we do? You wanna go, what do you wanna do?
should we go home?
No, not now. Alright, let's see how it is.
Yeah, let's see how it goes right here.
Okay, wait a second. Alright. So you want to spin some?
Yeah, I will. So, I'm going to give it a pretty hard spin. Where did the other fidget spinner go? Do
Not
you
in my
have it?
pocket yet.
Oh, okay. So
Steven, quit.
let's give it a pretty hard spin. And we'll try that one and see how it looks. So there.
So it is looking pretty cool. It looks bigger.
And next video we're gonna be doing with the hydraulic press and see how fast we can do it.
We don't have a hydraulic press.
Oh crap, not a hydraulic press. Sorry. What's it called? What's a hydraulic press?
That'd be cool.
See this one. That one went faster.
What's it called? Air compressor, I think.
Yeah, hydraulic press.
Alright.
And guys, there's like 2 tricks. This one you can do, like keep going like this, and you can just pass it. There's a bunch of
This
tricks.
looks cool.
I know.
Let's spin it just a little bit. Shows up different. Let's see how it looks. This is fast.
That's the way it looks.
This is slow. No, this is slow. This is like medium.
Look at fast.
And then look at the fast.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. Alright.
Looks like it's
Okay, let's continue on with our lives. Okay, let's go. What are you gonna do now? Oh, no.
These fidget spinners are so addicting.
Wait, say that again.
These fidget spinners are so addicting.
Yeah, nice. Steven, quit. Oh. Okay,
Where did that hit you?
my arm. Alright, now what should we do?
Where should we go?
Yeah. Alright, let's.
Should we go play basketball?
What do you need, Solon?
so.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Keep walking.
Alright, let's go to the basketball courts. Okay. So, what should we do now?
So loud when you bounce in here.
It's an echo, actually.
What should we do?
I don't know. Whatever you want to do. What do you want to do?
Let's go try to find. Let's go to our house, maybe.
No, let's just play basketball here for a
Try to
little
find
bit.
a pen, something, put it through, and try to do that trick
Yeah, we'll do that later in the video.
later.
So,
These
yeah.
are so fun.
We'll try to make the video long. So, yeah.
So
We're shooting here.
if I make it, you guys have to like this video.
Alright, smash that like button. No, I'm just kidding. Only weird people say that. Okay, he didn't make it. You have to dislike it now. No, I'm just
You
kidding.
guys have to
Just kidding.
just watch it. Just kidding.
This is not yet. That's fine. Did you make that?
No, it didn't.
Oh, here. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
One more shot.
Alright, one more shot. Let's see. Oh, he's going for the. He's going for the.
Try from full court. No, with one
Wait,
hand.
say what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna try from full court.
Oh, okay, we heard you. You have to say it again. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit Steven. Okay, here. Go get the ball. Oh, great. Okay, let me go get some shooting.
You will use the ball. Here, Steven, here. You have the ball. Nope. Bruh. I see this dude.
Okay. So, if I make this right now, backwards, that'll be awesome.
You guys have to like this video.
You guys make this, you have to subscribe to Trey.
Okay, ready?
You guys have to subscribe if he makes it backwards.
Subscribe, okay?
Well, that was horrible.
That was, I bet I couldn't do better. If you did a little bit lower, it would have made it.
Here, I'll try it.
Here, let me try it again.
Okay, let me try. Okay, after Ray. Go, Steven. Oh, that was pretty close. That one was pretty close.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Well, that one's not gonna go. Okay, let me try again.
Oh, what's that?
What are
He
you doing?
slipped.
Okay,
Like,
ready?
no, line it up.
Wait, what?
You're supposed to line it up, dude.
You guys have to
You are right here. He was right here.
If you guys
Look where it is. No, you guys have to like this video. Like this video.
Okay, you guys have to like.
You guys have to like this video.
Okay. If I make this backwards, you have to like this video.
So you guys have to still like this video for him shooting it back there. If you don't have to, but like it'll be nice. It'll be nice. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me try backwards. Okay, you guys have to like this video or any other video of mine if he makes this right now. You don't have to, but you can.
Never mind. If I make this start right now, pause it, and yeah, pause it. See if I guess. Put your comments in the comments below. You better not change them. Okay. Ready?
He's shooting over there. Oh, okay, guys, you have to.
Okay, this means you guys have to double it.
You guys have to like another video. But
Okay.
you guys don't have to like another video.
Pause this again.
Oh, dude, that was so close. Okay, guys, let's go play on those suits.
Hold up. One more.
One more. If he makes it.
If I make this all court shot, I don't think this is all court at all.
You gotta send nice comments.
Shut up, Steven. You like this video?
Go.
Yeah, that's not gonna make it.
Well, it hit the net, but. Okay, Ray, I'm going to try it this time. I'm going to try it this time. I'm going to try it backwards. Have to get lined up and just
Hold up. I have to grab it. Okay.
Ready?
Sure.
Oh, Ray, watch out. I might hit you.
Well, I'll catch it. Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, you say they have to, but what if they didn't bet?
Okay, go ahead, Trey.